It all starts now. It's time to officially kick off the saga regarding Samsung's next big thing, which is Galaxy S26 Ultra, the most important Samsung flagship phone of the last 5 years that's going to define the next 5 years in the future. From a new rumored design to a camera setup that we have never seen on a smartphone before, a powerful surprise that's already out, and Samsung's dream of being limitless. It all starts with Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's talk design. Samsung has kept pretty much the same visual design look for the last 4 years, and it is bound to change with the S26 Ultra. On the front, Samsung is reportedly testing out their most advanced under-display camera in order to finally achieve that limitless front display look. As for the back, Samsung could bring a noticeable design change that will signify the next generation. Even Apple is finally changing their design, so this is pretty much bound to happen. Although there's no visual information at the moment, what we do know is that we might have one less camera on the back, which could result in a new look, and it's actually good news. We'll talk about it right after this. Ever feel like the internet is just too much? Endless tabs, distraction everywhere, and somehow you've spent an hour watching cat videos instead of working? Yes, same here. And well, that's where Opera Air comes in, the mindful browser designed to keep you focused, stress-free, and actually productive. It's lightweight, clutter-free, and built to reduce distractions so you can stay in the zone without feeling overwhelmed. Need to lock in? Just hit Command+B and boom, instant focus with 20+ soundscape from lo-fi beats to binaural waves. These soundscapes are made for focus, creativity, relaxing, etc. and my favorite, which is high performance, as it helps me to be more productive. Here's the cool part. Opera Air actually reminds you to take breaks with guided breathing, meditation, and even body scans. It helps you stay refreshed instead of burn out. Personally, my favorite is neck exercises, as it helps a lot. Oh, and every morning you get a motivational quote when you open the browser, a little boost to start your day right, plus you can customize this just the way you like. Honestly, it's the best browser upgrade we all need, free, easy to use, and actually good for your mental health. So try Opera Air today, click that link in the description below, and your brain will thank you. According to latest news, Galaxy S26 Ultra might be the first flagship phone on the market ever to have two dual 200 megapixel sensors. So one for the main camera and second one as a 4x optical zoom sensor. So with that, we not only get a more powerful periscope zoom setup, but also with more space in the phone, we could finally get a bigger battery life. Yes, it's also been reported that Samsung could bring a 5500 mAh silicon carbon battery for the S26 Ultra. Considering how good the battery life is and the optimization with One UI software on the S25 Ultra, just imagine what Samsung can achieve with an even bigger battery size and with an even more power efficient processor. Speaking of which, we already have the expectation of how powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 can be compared to the S25 Ultra. According to the latest news out of China, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is said to be about 41% better compared to 8 Elite when it comes to Antutu benchmark. This is pretty much the same improvement we got with Snapdragon 8 Elite compared to 8 Gen 3. If Qualcomm can pull this off, it's going to be absolutely mental. But wait, there's a big twist to this story. Samsung brings back their dream, and that is the Exynos 2600. Now, interestingly, Samsung isn't calling this chip Exynos 2600 internally, meaning they might actually be moving completely away from the Exynos branding, considering how bad of a reputation the Exynos name has. But it's not just the name that they're changing. Apparently, this chip is going to be based on 2nm architecture. It's said to be Samsung's most strongest chip with their own in-house Samsung GPU, and it's been aimed to power pretty much all Galaxy S26 model in all markets, ditching Qualcomm forever. It's also been reported that Samsung is having great yield production for this chip early on, so they might actually pull this off, but again, we don't know if it's gonna be as powerful as Snapdragon 8 Elite 2nd Gen, so depending on how good this chip will be, we're gonna see how things go. Just know Samsung is trying their absolute best to bring back their own chip. While we are on the topic of camera, there's also a rumor that Samsung is testing out variable aperture for their main camera, similar to what they did with the Galaxy S9 Plus. Now, we cannot talk about Galaxy S26 Ultra without the mention of Galaxy AI. As the hardware is getting more advanced, we're gonna get even crazier AI features with the Galaxy AI. Of course, all powered by One UI 8.0. Apparently, it's been reported that there will be no One UI 7.1. Instead, Samsung is set to pretty much jump straight to One UI 8 after the One UI 7 and release this big update with the S26 series. Also, the current Galaxy S26 Ultra prototype that Samsung is testing out, this has the Bluetooth S Pen support that Samsung dropped with the S25 Ultra, meaning Samsung could correct their mistake and finally bring it back with the S26 Ultra. So there we go. It seems like Samsung is listening to their audience with bigger battery upgrade. Finally, a new design look is being cooked, although we currently don't know how it's gonna be, but we'll know for sure. A possible advanced under-display camera. If everything goes right, we could see a limitless design. Samsung's dream chip with their own GPU sounds pretty exciting. If not, equally exciting, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 will be there to save the day, along with a crazy dual 200 megapixel setup is in the works. Somehow, Samsung is finding the way to push the boundaries even further. We're still quite far away from the official launch, so be sure to subscribe for more exciting updates regarding the S26 Ultra. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.